In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove profile picture from Gmail. Fix today? Here, let's begin. First, go to the Gmail website and make sure you're already logged into your account. Once your inbox loads, look at the top right corner of the screen and click your profile picture. This will open a small account panel where you can access your Google account settings. From that panel, click Manage Your Google Account. This will open your main Google account dashboard in a new page where you can manage different settings related to your account. On the left sidebar, click the Personal Info tab. This section contains basic details about your Google account, including your name, contact information, and profile photo. Scroll down until you find the Basic Info section. In this section, locate the option labeled Photo and click on it. And this will open the page where your current Google profile picture is displayed. Below your current profile image, click the Remove button. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking you to verify the action. Click Remove again to confirm that you want to delete the profile picture from your account. Once confirmed, wait for the system to process the change. You'll see a confirmation message indicating that the photo has been successfully removed from your account. After the update is complete, return to your Gmail tab and refresh the page. When the page reloads, the profile image in the top right corner will change back to the default placeholder, which usually shows the first letter of your name instead of a photo. That's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.